Who's that for?
That's kisses.
For who?
For me.
Who are you going to give those to? Aunt?
Daddy.
Aunt?
Daddy.
Who else? What other aunt?
And Carol.
Aunt Carol?
Yeah.
And who else?
And Tyler.
Aunt Who lives in California? Aunt
And Daniel in California.
Yeah, she lives in California. You gonna say hi and give her a kiss?
Yes.
Oh, oh, yeah, them lips. Oh, how about a hug? Hugs? Oh, there, you just been kissed and hugged by Tyler. And how old are you right now?
2.
2.5. That's what's up. Because you turned 2.5. When's your birthday, though? When you going to be 3?
October 6th.
Yes, you will. Holla. Holla if you...
Hey, me.